Can you add people on WhatsApp on PC? To add people on WhatsApp through your PC, you will need to add them to your phone's contact first, as the WhatsApp web and desktop apps don't currently support adding contacts directly. If you want to add people on WhatsApp web, you will need to open your mobile device and add the contact on your phone. Open the phone application on your mobile device and add the contact. Tap on the plus icon at the top right corner and select Create New Contact. Now create a new contact with their name. Now you can either open the WhatsApp application on your mobile device or your PC. After that, simply go to the search bar on the top and search for the person that you'd like to add. Since you have added them on your mobile device, it will also appear on your WhatsApp web. If you have opened your WhatsApp web on your PC, then you can even directly search for the person on your WhatsApp web and add them. But yes, adding contacts directly through WhatsApp web or the desktop app isn't currently supported. You have to add new contacts on your phone and they will automatically sync to WhatsApp on your PC when you refresh the connection. So that is it for this video. I will see you in the next one. Thank you.